Good day, I'm Miss Sharon Morgan, Senior Library Assistant of Geisel Branch Library. Here with me, Shanice McLean from the Crochet Club, and we are here to do a tutorial on how to do crochet. Okay, step 1, make the knot. So it seems easy, but you have to practice to make the knot, where you make a twist, then you thread over, turn the hook so that it holds the thread, and you pull it right through. That is the knot. So you do it again, and it's supposed to pull out easily. So you hold it like this, make a twist, hold on where the thread meets, then you thread over, pull the thread through, and then that is the knot. Okay, one more time. You can hold the thread as short as you can, make the twist, hold on where the twist meets, and then you pull over, thread over and pull it through. And then there's the knot. So you pull it down for it to be, you don't want it to be too wide. Then you're going to make the chains now. Thread over and pull it through. You're going to make 10 chains, that is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 chains. There you have 10 chains. Then you're going to join it with a slip stitch at the first chain. Thread over, pull it straight through, and then that's the joining of the, so that is the ring now. For you to continue with the stitch, when you are learning the first stage, you'd have to do double crochet, abbreviation DC. So when you see DC, you know it is double crochet where you thread over one time. So in order to start, you have to make 3 chains, sorry. So you have 1, 2, 3 chains, then you thread over one time, go into the circle, take up a thread and come out of the circle. Stretch the thread so that you have enough room. Then you pull over, thread over, pull it through, and then you thread over again, pull it through, and that is the first DC, double crochet. You're going to be making 3 more. So that is 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to be doing 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains, thread over, go into the circle again, and you complete the stitch. When you are to do a DC, you know, you thread over, go into the circle, take up 1, come out of the circle, take up 1, pull through 2, then take up a next one, pull through 2. You're going to be doing 5 of them. Five chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains, thread over, go into the circle again, take up 1, and pull through. The thing is, when you are doing it, try not to have such a long piece of thread because it's going to get in the way. Normally I don't hold it like that. So when you thread over, and you take up a thread, draw through 2 and continue, that is the DC. So we are making DCs. And this is the last set of 5 DC. Thread over, go into the circle, come out with 1, then you have 3 strain on it. Thread over, pull through 2, Then you thread over again and pull through 2, and that is a complete DC. Thread over, go into the circle again, straighten up the thread, because you want all of them to be on the same size. If it don't do neatly, you can pull it out back and do it over. And then you do 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. Then you're going to join it to complete this row with a slip stitch at the first into the top of this, the third chain, the 3 chains, and you just thread over and pull the thread right through, and that is the first row that is completed. That's how it should look when you complete the first row. Then you're going to continue by doing slip stitch to the third part. But I changed it a little, you know. When I reach that, I do a slip stitch, then I do a single chain, and then I do a single crochet into the third one. So you put the needle into the third of it, pull it through, draw it through, then you do 1, 2, 3 chains, thread over. Being as to do this pattern, you'd have to do treble, but I'm doing DC because you're just learning to do it. You don't know how to keep the 3 strain of thread on the needle at one time, so you have to practice to keep it on, and then you can go forward to doing the 2 strain of thread. So you're going to make 10 DC, yes, into the 5 chain space. Try and stretch the thread so that it don't twist up. Let me see what you have done so far. Okay. To end this row, you have 3 chains, 1, 2, 3 chains, and then you do a single crochet into the top, into the third chain. So you count it from here, 1, 2, 3, and you put a slip stitch, right, and that's the complete of this row. So you're going to do the 5th row, where you continue to do 6 chains. So in order for you to get to complete the pattern, you read the diagram and complete the pattern, and when it is complete, it's supposed to look something like this. So you can do 20 motifs. These are motifs, so you can do 20 motifs and join it, and there are the joining points. These are the joining points. Let's straighten it out. So here you join it here, 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 and here, and then it looks like this. And these are motifs. So this is one motif to complete this doily, and it is a pineapple square, as was stated. So when you stop, you just pull up the thread a little so that it don't easily pull out, and you just knot it on the thread like this, on the roll, until when you are ready to complete the pattern. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Bye!
Bye!